All right, we're all loaded up, getting ready to leave for Drift Indy, Luau. Actually try to burn a bunch of tires this event. I brought everything that I got in tire inventory. So I got, I think, 6 brand new tires, 4 Ironmans, 2 Acceleras, and then I have some tires on my 6 wheels that I have on the car, or sorry, 6 wheels that I'm bringing with me as well. 2 of them are like already pretty toasted, but we're gonna burn them off and get rid of everything we have so we can finally buy some new tires, because I haven't really gone through much tires lately. But we'll see you there. What's up, guys? We made it. We got the tent set up, cars here. We got Kenzie with Riot, Jordan, Cashman somewhere. Oh, he's tagging his car. Dylan will be here soon. We're about to go out for our first session, so we'll see how that goes, because I've never drove this car at this track before. So let's go see how it is. What's up, guys? Just did some laps. Car actually feels really awesome. I had a couple little issues where it felt like it was breaking up, and I called my buddy Forrest that works at Link, and he helped me because he's a little more better with the tuning side of it. I know enough to be dangerous, but Forrest, more of an in-depth tuner, actually knows how to tune cars and used to do it for a living, and still helps with people tuning now. So I had to make a couple corrections because the car felt like it was breaking up. He took a little bit of fuel out because it was a little rich, and changed my rev limiter to help with some wheel speed stuff, and now the car is feeling awesome. Definitely a little low here over the jump in the center by the bank. The rear diff's bottoming out, so that's super cool, low car things. But overall, the car feels good. It's like 90 degrees out, so the car's kind of getting hot. We're being able to do like 3-4 laps in a row. Now we're gonna get some food. Gotta have those Lunchables, Gatorade, stay hydrated. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. y'all. Just came in from doing some laps with Tipman, and I was about to do a lap with Mike Drake, and I went to initiate, and I heard a weird noise, and look at that. Manifold snapped clean off. No bueno. So we're gonna have to see if we can maybe re-weld this up. Cashman's got a welder in his truck, luckily. But that's super unfortunate because it's super hot out, and I really don't want to work on the car. But maybe we'll fix it, keep driving, we'll see. So we got the cracked manifold off the car, taking that and the broken V-band to Cody Toby's house, and he said he'd weld it for me because I needed to find somebody with a TIG welder. He lives about 27 minutes from the track. I'm heading there now. Get there, have Cody fix the manifold all up for us, get it thrown back in the car, maybe even get to do a couple laps tonight. If not, we'll get to drive all day tomorrow. Hopefully no more dumb issues. So sometimes stuff like this happens. I feel like it's always inevitable, and I feel like it always follows me, but it is what it is. You take what you get and you just fix it. I mean, part of the sport, man, is you just gotta grind. Anytime anything happens like that, you can't let it break your motivation. You just gotta get it done, get back driving, and enjoy yourself again.
It's fine. I'll drive again someday.
Just got the manifold welded up by Cody Toby. Huge shout out to him for making himself available to pretty much weld this immediately after I just drove to his house. Manifold should be all good to go. We're gonna slap it back on the car when we get back, and we might be able to still get some laps tonight. Drifting goes till 10 p.m. Tomorrow we drift from 4 to 11 p.m. So either way, if we get at least back together tonight, we'll have a lot of drifting tomorrow to do still. This is just one of those examples of like why the drifting community is so awesome. People are just so willing to help each other out. I came from drag racing and autocross, and I tell you, drag racing is nothing like this. Like, people want to help you, but they still are kind of like enemies with you in a way. Whereas everybody in the drifting community tries to find a way to help you out. That's honestly why I love drifting so much now. So see you guys at the track, and once we get this manifold on. Can't see shit out of this. And the car feels good. We're about to follow Dylan. We just did a lead for him. Car feels good again. Except I can't see shit out of this visor because it's super fog. Another typical day at Drift Indy. Lots of rain. Big severe thunderstorm coming in, but we're at the Waffle House, so. All right, day two. Last night we got to end up getting like probably 12 laps in after we got the manifold back out and fixed last night. It rained really bad this morning. Now it's drying up and getting super hot, and we're about to go out for our first session today, day two. We're drifting until like 11 o'clock tonight, so should be a lot of seat time. It's really hot though, so we'll try to keep the car cool. do it. yesterday we finished up. We were about to go out for the last session, and unfortunately I thought I ran out of fuel, but I think I have a wiring issue going on with either one of my fuel pumps or something going on. I didn't really have enough time to diagnose it before the end of the session, so I just called it a day. Dylan's car also broke the clutch, so we're on the way home now. I'm starting to feel a lot more comfortable in the S2000, especially with getting close in tandem. So overall, it was a really good weekend, building that confidence before we go to Street League, which will be our next event. I think it's August 12th and 13th, or 11th and 12th. So, yep. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to see more content. Ejecto turbo, cuz.